What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today in the shop, we got a Subaru WRX STI, a real rally car. Now we're gonna show you how to clean all the windows just like a pro so you get that best visibility when you're detailing. Now I've been detailing all my entire life, and one of the hardest parts about detailing is getting those streak-free glass windows on your windshield, on your side windows, on the mirror, on any glass surface on the car. And today I'm gonna give you all the professional tips, tricks, and the tools to get streak-free glass on any type of video. Now if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the videos we have right here on our channel. Today we're at our Masterson's Car Care factory store in Anaheim, California. This is like a detailing superstore. So let's go inside and let's get all the tools to get this job done. And one thing I love about being here at this store is the selection of tools, man. There's so many tools that we have here at the store. Microfiber towels, shampoos, detail spray. But one of the favorite tools that I like is the glass cleaner. Now glass cleaner is one of the most important tools you can have when detailing, and you want to use an automotive specific glass cleaner. Now, detailing tip from the pros, always use an automotive specific glass cleaner. So that means one that doesn't have any ammonia and is safe for tinted windows. Now we're going to use the Masterson's Car Care glass cleaner. This is a streak-free formula and it's safe on tinted windows. Now the car outside that we're detailing doesn't have tint, but this is going to be safe on your tinted windows as well. Now let's also come over here and grab some microfiber towels. Also, when you're cleaning glass, the best thing is to have quality microfiber towels. So I'm gonna go to our microfiber towel collection over here, and I'm gonna grab some blue glass cleaning towels. Here at Masterson's Car Care, we color code all of our towels. So we have green towels for the outside, red towels for the wheels, we have yellow towels for the inside of the car, and then we have the blue towels for the glass. Now we also have waffle weave towels as well. Here's a waffle weave towel. This is actually for detailing glass, a specific waffle weave glass cleaning towel. So if you have problems getting streaks on your windows, this helps take the streaks out. Now, what we're gonna show you today is we're gonna show you the 2-towel method, and that's where you use 2 towels and a quality glass cleaner to clean the windows and get the streak-free results. So let's go outside, let's show you how to get that job done. And one of the things I wanna show you guys while we're here, guys, we'll just back it up and show you, is that this glass cleaner also comes in a gallon size. So if you're detailing big cars, big trucks, pick up the gallon size. That way you can get all your detailing jobs done. You can pick this up on mastersonswax.com. Use code YouTube for 10% off. Let's go outside and let's do some window cleaning. Now, I'm gonna show you a couple tricks and tips on how to clean the windows. I'm gonna show you how to clean the inside, the outside, and I'm also gonna show you how to clean the inside of the windshield, which in my opinion is one of the hardest parts to clean. So let's go and clean some windows. So let's clean some glass. Now the first thing you want to do is fold your towels correctly, and we're going to use 2 towels. That's why this is called the 2-towel method. So if you're getting streaks on your window, 9 out of 10 times it's because of bad technique. You're either using dirty towels or you're using things like newspaper. You want to use a clean quality microfiber towel, and you want to make sure that the towels are clean. So if you're using dirty towels, you're not going to get streak-free glass. So make sure you use clean or new towels. I like washing my towels with our Masterson's Microfiber Wash and Restore. Great product for cleaning and restoring your microfiber towels, and that way my windows always stay clean. So the first tip from the pros before you even start cleaning the windows is we're gonna clean all of the spots at the top that you can't even see on this because there's a door sill. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the car, there we go, and I'm actually just gonna crack all the windows. There we go, crack all the windows. Now come in close guys and check this out. I'm gonna crack these all. And this is really where the window cleaning starts. As you guys can see, there's a lot of dirt right there. The car's beeping at me because I have the key out here. But there's a lot of dirt on the window right here on the inside, and that gets shoved up here inside of the windowsill. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our microfiber towel and we're gonna take our glass cleaner. It's a brand new glass cleaner, so let's go ahead and prime that sprayer. And let's go and just spray the towel with our glass cleaner. And then we're gonna take the towel and we're actually just gonna pinch the window right there. Now I'm cleaning the window and that spot where it goes into the seal really good, because right after I do this, I'm gonna roll all the windows back up, and then I'm gonna be able to clean all the windows front and rear. So let me go ahead and go around the car, clean all the little window cracks, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to clean the inside and the outside. So I cleaned the top of all the glass, I rolled up the windows, and now let's show you how to clean the inside and the outside of the glass. I'll show you on the driver's side window. So first take your glass cleaner and give 2 sprays on the window. You can go 3 sprays if it's a big window. Average car, usually 2 sprays does it. Now I'm gonna take my first microfiber and I'm gonna clean the window. I'm first gonna go at the top and then I'm gonna work my way down to the bottom. There we go. And I make sure I get all the way to the edge. If you notice, I'm going all the way to the edge. Why? Because there's a lot of dirt in there. If you see, even on my microfiber towel, it's coming up all this area where the dirt, it might be hard to show, but it's from the areas closest to the edge. Now I put that towel down and I grab my second towel, and this is gonna be my drying towel, and this is why it's called the 2-towel method. So I'm gonna take my second towel, I'm gonna fold it in 4s, and now I'm gonna just give the window a good buff. Now our streak-free glass cleaner always delivers streak-free results, but this 2-towel method ensures streak-free results every time, like perfect. I mean, check that out. That's crazy. Now that I've cleaned the outside, I can see my dirt on the inside. You see where this dirt is right here, actually on the inside? I can even feel that there's something on the glass. So let's go ahead and grab our glass cleaner towel again, our first one. Let's fold it up to a new side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean the inside of the glass too. So I'm gonna, once again, spray 2 sprays on the glass. I'm also gonna spray this little corner window over here. And then I'm gonna take my glass cleaning towel and let's clean all the way to the top and work our way to the bottom. Now the cool part about cleaning the glass right here is that we already rolled down the window. So we cleaned that little pinch at the top. So we know that that area is gonna be clean, and now I just need to clean the inside of the window itself. Now let's put down my glass cleaning towel and let's take my drying towel and let's go ahead and buff off any streaks. There we go. I'm gonna do the inside over here too. Perfect, man. Look at that, that's a streak-free glass. So come in, guys, look at that glass. That's really streak-free. You probably see the camera guy. You probably see me. It's because it's a streak-free glass. It just always looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this corner window over here, guys. So let me grab my, my glass cleaner, give it a good spray right here. And you only need a little bit of glass cleaner. You don't need the glass cleaner just dripping off the window. You really don't need that. You just need a few little sprays and you're good to go. So check that out. Clean, take my second towel, get off my streaks. Boom, it's done. It's so easy to do. Let's move on to the windshield and let's show you guys how to clean the windshield. Now, I have an extra towel as backup right here. First thing I like to do when I'm cleaning any windshield is I like to raise the windshield wipers. So quick tip from the pros, always raise the windshield wipers if you can. Some cars, like on my BMW, they only crack like that much. But this car is cool, it goes all the way up. Make sure you don't let the windshield wipers hit down on the windshield. If these flop down too hard, they can crack the glass. So quick tip from the pros, be sure if you're doing this that you have them safely put in the up position where they're not gonna fall. So let's go ahead and get my glass cleaning towel again. I can actually feel which one is the wet towel because it does feel wet. The second one's for drying. And let's clean this window. Look at the window, it's very dusty. Check us out how much dust we got on here. This is normal and this is where you're gonna wanna clean the glass. This car was actually just washed a few days ago, and now we need to go ahead and clean the glass with our glass cleaning towel. So let's take our glass cleaner, let's shake it up, and then let's spray the glass. Now this one I'm actually spraying more. Why? Because it's a much bigger window. So I'm taking the microfiber, I'm gonna clean the glass. And if you notice, I'm overlapping pattern and I'm only doing half the windshield because I can't reach over to that other side of the glass. So what I'm gonna do is clean this side of the glass first, and then I'm gonna go to the other side of the glass and finish cleaning it. So I cleaned off the glass, look at all the dirt that came off. There we go. And then I take my glass cleaner towel, the dry glass cleaner towel, and I take it to the windshield and I just buff it off. There we go, right? So what I'm doing is I'm getting off the streaks from the glass to make sure that it's streak free. If you just spray glass cleaner on it and move the glass cleaner around, it's gonna leave streaks, but this way we get streak free results every time. So let's grab my 2 towels, move over to the other side of the glass. Already it looks amazingly clear. So let's take our glass cleaner, spray it on the window. And we're doing this in the direct sunlight, and I'm having no problems doing this because our glass cleaner is extremely high quality and it has no ammonia in it. See, ammonia is what's bad for cleaning glass. Ammonia that's what stains glass, that's what stains trim. It doesn't really stain glass, but it stains the window tint on the glass. Here we go. That's a streak-free window. That looks great. Now all there is some streaks on the inside of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and get those off right now. It's really hot. As you can see, I'm already sweating. So stay on the outside of the car, guys. We'll show you guys how to do this from that spot. So what I'm gonna do to clean the inside of the glass right here is I'm gonna go on the passenger side. I'm gonna put up any of the visors, and I'm gonna just spray the whole entire window. About 4 sprays, there we go. Now I'm gonna take my glass cleaning towel, my wet one, I'm gonna flip to a clean side. We still got some clean sides over here. And I'm gonna start cleaning the glass. Now here's the tip from the pros. I started on the passenger side. I'm not even gonna move to the driver's side. I'm gonna do it all from the passenger side. And look at how I'm getting all the corner. That's the trick, okay? I'm gonna show you right now how I did that, okay? It's because I took the towel right here, and this is how I did it. You ready? I flipped. And now I'm able to clean the whole entire window on the inside, and I'm not fighting it, okay? Now I'm gonna take my second glass towel right here, and I'm gonna buff off the streaks. It's really hot in this car. It feels like it's 100 degrees in here, but the glass cleaner is working just right. There we go. Now there's actually a streak right here. That's the only streaks I see. And that's cool that it's on the outside and that I've cleaned the inside and the outside, because now I know where the streak is and I can get it off. Whew, it's really hot in that car. Look at how much I'm sweating. Crazy. Okay, I'm not even going to spray this glass cleaner on the glass. I'm actually gonna do this. This is a quick tip from the pro. If you want to avoid overspray, spray on your towel. Spray on the towel. Now I can go over here, I can clean that spot. I knew it was like over here. Just gonna re-clean the area. And then I'm gonna take my secondary towel, I'm gonna buff. Boom. Now I'm gonna open up the door, I'm gonna inspect. Good to go, team. Looks great, man. That's amazing, man. Now you know exactly how to clean windows, and what I'm doing right now, hardest time to clean windows. It's really hot outside. I'm sweating a lot, and the glass is warm. But we were able to get streak-free glass on all of our glass using our Masterson's glass cleaner, which is freaking fantastic. Now you know how to use our Masterson's glass cleaner with our 2-towel method, and you can clean glass anywhere, anytime, your mirrors, your sunroof, any part of the vehicle. Now, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. I'm gonna go inside the air conditioning because it's like 90 degrees out here, and I'm gonna go hang out inside our Masterson's Car Care factory store. We'll see you next time. My name's Greg from Masterson's Car Care. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing. Inside your skin tone. Wanna hold your head high 'cause you a pretty